everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time. That's how it always is. And I feel so bad, but I'm gonna be talking about like inconsistency and where that stems from in me in a future video. But anyways, today I'm gonna be reviewing the Shea Moisture Moringa and avocado line. It got sent to me for free, and this is for testing purposes, and I get to keep them when I'm done. So if you want to learn how to get free products like this to try out, let me know in the comments below, and how you can get other things than just hair care, like makeup, like full-size makeup and snacks and lotions and things like that. Anything relating to personal care, let me know. I mean, I'll probably just make a video anyways, but it would be nice to know if you guys are interested in that. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'll probably do most of my talking at the end. Today I'm going to be trying all of the products. It comes with a shampoo, a tea rinse, a conditioner, and a reconstructor. So let's go ahead and get started. I've already wet my hair. I'm going to get started with the Power Greens shampoo. So this line is for dry, weak, dull, curly, coily hair, which is exactly what I have. I really don't take the best care of my hair. When I was in high school and I was on like, you know, the natural hair care like line, you know what I mean, that whole era or whatever, I took a lot of care of my hair, but it took too much of my time. But anyways, this has a moringa oil, avocado oil, and a Power Greens mix. So the first thing you do is apply to wet hair, gently massage, work into a lather, rinse thoroughly. For best results, follow with Power Green hair tea rinse and the Power Green conditioner. This is no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no petroleum, no mineral oil, and no animal testing, which is lovely. So, so I'm just gonna pour this into my hand like that. I use a lot of shampoo because okay, so first thing off the bat, this is very loose. Not your normal shampoo consistency. Okay, go ahead and just put it in my hair. But it lathers really quickly. That's one thing about Shea Moisture, is that it lathers really quickly. So that's taken care of. Now the next part is to use the Power Greens hair tea rinse. The directions: shake well before use. After shampooing, apply evenly to scalp and hair. So I'm gonna try pouring it first. Okay, so it's like droplets. So I trust it to put it in my hair like this. Now that I've put the tea rinse in, we're supposed to massage it in, and it's supposed to lather up like this, which is good. Now that we've massaged that in, you're actually supposed to leave it in. Yeah, you're not supposed to rinse it out. So, next part is the conditioner. But this is the Power Greens conditioner, moisturizes and nourishes. You're supposed to comb it through, leave it in for 3 minutes, and then rinse. And you get the best results when you use the shampoo and the tea rinse. Kale does. I don't really know what matcha smells like, but it's not a bad smell. It's not bad. Now I'm going to put in my hair with the tea rinse. It has a very thick consistency, which isn't that bad for a conditioner at all. Okay. So what I noticed about my hair is that it's soft. It's really soft, and it's just super clean. Like, my hair doesn't usually feel like this after I wash it. I usually use 2 products. I use an Aussie product and a Tresemme conditioner for curly hair. And my hair doesn't usually feel this clean. Now, the reconstructor, when used as the 4th step, how to use shampoo the hair. So what it seems like is that you can use this reconstructor if you want to skip the other 2 steps. You can just use the shampoo and then the reconstructor, or you can use it as the 4th step in the regimen, and you leave this in for 10 to 15 minutes. And now you're supposed to put on a shower cap. I'm just gonna put the shower cap on. So now I'm gonna go make some breakfast, and I'll see you guys later with the results. Okay, so I thoroughly enjoyed these products, especially the reconstructor. I think that it really got my hair the smoothest and like super duper soft. The shampoo really made my hair feel really clean. Would I recommend this to somebody? Give me a couple more times and then maybe I'll actually be able to recommend it. I just want to say that I really enjoy these. First off, typically what happens is you have to get into a regimen of using hair care products. So maybe Monday will just be my wash day. I don't know. You know, we're in different times right now. So I really have a lot of freedom to do whatever in my schedule. Typically on Monday, if I was at school, would not be anywhere near a wash day at all. I really enjoy these products. Hopefully I get sent some more from Shea Moisture. If you guys want to know how I got these products for free, say so in the comments, I guess. Hope you guys stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.